Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Pre-Market News and Views by In the Money Stocks. Today is May 4th, 2018. My name is Nick Santiago. Thank you all for tuning in this morning. All right, we just had the non-farm payroll report released a little while ago. You're going to see the futures right now are trading lower by 10.5 points to 26.21.5 per contract. So again, the non-farm payroll report came out. It was, I believe, 164,000 jobs in April versus 192,000 expected. So it definitely is a miss there, but the unemployment rate went down. So we'll see how the market reacts to this. Generally on a Friday, we don't normally see a terrible day, but you never know. We'll see how it plays out. Again, I don't think the job report is terrible, but we'll see how the market reacts because that's really all that matters. Now, we have lots of earnings out here. We're going to start the day off with the biggest Chinese ADR out there. That's Alibaba. Stock right now is trading at 183.60, closed at 182.45. This went all the way up here towards the 190 level, a little bit above 190, then came right back in. So again, we'll see how that plays out. But all in all, just up a touch here by the ahead of the opening bell. Let's take a look at Weight Watchers. This has been a stock that's been on fire and continues to remain pretty hot right now. Stock closed at 69.70. Now it is trading at 73.62. So Weight Watchers up after earnings. I'd be a little bit careful with this. If you take a look at, I'm going to go to a monthly chart here. You're going to see there's huge resistance in play. This may have not, consolidated enough to try to get to new highs. So if you own Weight Watchers right now, I would be trailing the stop loss immediately, and I would not be buying it up here. Not to say that the stock can't hold. It's in an uptrend, still very, very strong, but it is way overbought at these levels. Let's take a look at FLR. We're going to have this as a gap play this morning. This is getting absolutely roasted. Stock closed at $58.99, now trading at $48.50. That's a $10 haircut. Again, I'll have some gap levels ready for us to go in the intraday stock chat room on FLR. Take a look at HSBC. This looks like it is trading lower as well. Closed at $49.84, now trading at $48.03. Again, I am seeing some support around the $46.50, $46.40 level right in there. We'll look at it once it gets there in the intraday stock chat room. Let's take a look at HLF. HLF right now, which is Herbalife, is trading at around $104.05, closed at $106.25. This is another stock that has been on fire to the upside. Look at this chart. So this is way overbought. Too overbought for me. Again, getting a little bit of a mild pullback. No real volume here. We'll see how it plays out once the opening bell rings. But if you own Herbalife, I'd trail the stop loss immediately. I would not be chasing shares at this level. Let's take a look at the CBOE, Chicago Board of Options Exchange. What you'll see here is the stock is trading at 108.10, closed at 105.45. So good little uptick there. We'll look at that one once the opening bell rings. Nothing to do yet in that name. Here's Pandora, ticker symbol letter P. Stock is trading at 6.54, closed at 5.75. So got a little bit of an uptick there. Again, we'll look at this one once the opening bell rings. I don't think there's much to do here. Shake Shack with a big move. I've been to this place a couple times. It is packed. Stock right now is trading at $51.70, closed at $47.41. I don't see any levels here to get involved in Shake Shack on the long side, but on the short side for a fade around the $55.50 level, that would give me, I think, a shorting opportunity there as a day trade. So we'll keep that on the radar. Let's take a look at SWKS, which is Skyworks. They reported earnings as well. Stock is trading at 91.25, closed at 92.25 yesterday. And we'll see how that plays out once the opening bell rings. Apple is in the news. Looks like Warren Buffett has increased his stake in Apple. Stock right now is trading at $178.90, closed at $176.89. So Apple moving up a little bit more. There's still big resistance for Apple around the double top from March. That's going to be all the way from 182 to 183.50. So keep that on the radar, but Apple showing some good strength this morning. All right, let's switch gears here a little bit. Let's go over to the gold market. Gold futures today trading up $1.50. No big deal there. Right now they're at $13.14 an ounce. And if you look at crude oil today, we're trading up 27 cents to $68 $2.70 a barrel. Crude again remaining very, very strong, and you have potential Middle East tensions building, and we'll see how that plays out. There's also potential conflict between Turkey and Greece, so we'll have to watch that very closely going forward. Right now we have the S&P 500 E-mini futures trading down 9.25 points. Again, not that big a deal yet. We'll see how this market plays out once the opening bell rings. If you haven't done so yesterday, we had a great day in the intraday stock chat room. We're going to look to do that again today. So come on over, take that 7-day free trial to the intraday stock chat room, and you'll see everything we are doing in there. You can trade right alongside of us. With that being said, everybody have a great session, and we will see you all on the charts.